Welcome, today I'm with XIAOMI 11T Pro and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first you should go to the settings and here just scroll down to the passwords and security. Now just go to the privacy section and here tap to Virgin Mobile section. As can you see, our SIM card is locked at the moment. Now just to unlock your SIM card, tap here on the switcher and type here your currently password. Now tap to OK, as can you see, we have successfully removed the password from your SIM card. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.